We are going back to Sam's Town, and we're just gonna go walk around, roam around.
That's it?
See if we can find any tables to play at. There's the sign.
Sam's Town. Oh, it's Boyd.
Yeah, Boyd Rewards.
Blackjack base 322. Doesn't it always?
What happened?
Blackjack pays 32.
That's a very good question. Does anybody know?
Thought it always does.
Oh, they got a McDonald's? Oh my
What?
goodness gracious, I am not eating here. All right, Sam's Town. I need to turn this off when I go to the...
Security?
No, the restroom.
Oh, the restroom.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna do that
That?
versus the pen.
Why is this not connecting? Connect. Straight. All right, here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Yo, Sam's Town.
Sam's Town.
Whoa, automatic. That was amazing.
Wow.
Ta-da! Oh, we have to wave. All right, this is just wandering aimlessly through Sam's Town and looking around. But first,
Bathroom.
yes. So they have bowling.
Yeah.
We never checked out the bowling area, huh?
No.
Bowling is downstairs. That's good to know. Okay.
Alright.
That was cute. He was helping her. He was helping her press the, like pushing her arm forward. All right.
TGI Friday.
We got
On the
TG.
left.
Excuse me, miss. Where's your closest restroom?
Right behind the deli.
Oh,
Right there.
thank you so much. Okay. All right. Gotta go restroom first. Behind the deli. Sit on this side, that side. Must be back here. Aha. Cool. Oh wow, look at this sports area. It's huge. Wow. Alright, here we go. Oh, they got a casino wizard here. Casino wizard, craps, minimum bet. They have crapless here? They do have crapless here. You got crapless. Regular. There she go. Billy Joe's bar on the right. Oh, look, she's about to buy in. I don't know what the minimum is. Minimum's $10. You have your card?
I don't. I'm just gonna give him my ID.
Oh, let's see. Okay. I'll be right back. Could do a different. Since I have a different camera, it'll be a lot better than the last one. I'm gonna go walk on the outside area. It's really nice out here. I wonder how the decorations are. Let's go check it out. Check this place out. I pressed it on accident. I see my face. Look at this decor. That thing's moving. I don't know why it smells like pee over here. Alright, let's continue this walking tour here and walk on the inside again. Let's put this in here. There we go. They have Century movie theaters here too. Which is really... This place is made... I would say it's made for kids. Definitely. Let's go walk by the Century Theaters. Oh, food over here smells good. There's your Century Theaters. Something smells really good over here, food-wise. So they get your arcade over here for the kids. Dunkin' Donuts, Subway, crazy corn and ice cream. Ooh, man. Ice cream sounds so good right now. What if I should get a scoop? Let's see what type of ice cream they have. Oh, they got lemon, mango. Oh, hello. Can I get a small scoop of the lemon? Yeah, please. You have it on a cone? Yeah, can I get on a cone, please? Regular, please. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. Thank you. Gotta get my ice cream fix. I like my sour stuff. Sour ice cream. Lemon. I wonder how much it is. No, that's it.
Okay, $4.99.
Here's 6. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Ice cream. All right. We'll go back over to the craps table. She's already playing at the craps table. I'm just walking aimlessly. Lime, this is like lime, it's not lemon. But it's good though. Flavor shown actual size. Let's cut through the middle over here. Boyd Rewards. Oh, this is so good. Oh, the table kind of cleared open. Might have to play. Is she shooting? Is she shooting? Looks like she's shooting. Let's go see. That's a long table. Hi. Oh, he's shooting. They get ice cream. Lime.
12.
All right, it's time to play some dice.
Nine, center.
All right, everybody, we're good.